Don't throw away your used cooking oil and wood ash. These two simple wastes can turn into a powerful soil booster for all plants. Take just 1 spoon of oil, mix it in a liter of water, and pour near the roots. This keeps soil soft, holds moisture longer, and helps earthworms multiply, making soil naturally fertile. But remember, only a small amount is enough. Now sprinkle a handful of wood ash around the plant base. Ash is rich in potassium and calcium, strengthens roots, balances soil acidity, and even keeps slugs and snails away. Together, oil-water mix plus ash create the perfect natural fertilizer, boosting growth and protecting your plants. So never waste them again. Your garden will thank you.